Barbell back squats. Squats are one of the best compound movements to include in any workout because they will recruit major muscle groups. Working these will increase overall strength over time. Here are some things to keep in mind while squatting. Set your feet up slightly wider than hip width apart. Some people find it helpful to turn their toes out slightly. This shouldn't be too pronounced though. Initiate the movement by sending the hips back. This doesn't mean sticking your butt out. Rather, it simply means to start your squat by hinging your hips back. This will also help protect the knees by not allowing them to shoot forward over your toes. If this is an area of weakness for you, squatting to a target would be a great option for you. Your knees should track with your toes. As you're warming up for this movement, look down to see if your knees are tracking with your toes. Most people tend to let their knees cave in towards one another. If this is something that you struggle with, imagine that your feet are a large piece of paper, and as you squat, you're trying to rip apart that imaginary piece of paper with your feet. This helps drive your knees outward. Keep a neutral spine. If someone was to look at you from the side, they would want to see that your back remains flat throughout the entire squat. This means that your back is not overarched. It also does not collapse down at any point. If your chest tends to fall forward at the bottom of your squat, including a goblet squat might be a great option for you. Goblet squats. Hold one dumbbell at chest level. Focus on keeping your chest up throughout the squat and not allowing it to fall forward. Squatting to a target. Place a bench or a box behind you. You can do this with a barbell or just your body weight. If you use a barbell, be sure to start light and have a spotter to help. You will squat to a target, but you do not want to sit down and relax on it. Rather, your butt will simply tap the target and you will return to the top of the squat immediately. Focus on maintaining tension in your core the entire movement.